Hi folks, Roger Hall here for 37 AdWords Secrets, and today we're going to talk about some uncommon Google AdWords text tactics that you can bring into your Google AdWords ads and make them more attention-getting and more effective. Let's take a look at some of the attention-getting words you can use in your Google AdWords ads, and one of them is the word humiliate. If you use this word in your ads, I can pretty much promise you that you're going to get some improved response if you use it in the right way. And here I've set up a brief ad to do with a cat show. It's just a imaginary ad just to illustrate how you might use the word humiliate in your ads. Now everyone's been humiliated at one time or another. I know I have. And it's not really a pleasant thing, but you can actually use it in your ads in a powerful way to show people the benefit of what you're offering. You can also take a look at the capitalization I've used in this ad. This would be probably the most beneficial capitalization in my experience that would make your ad attractive. Take a look at another one here. This one's about dog show I've drawn up. Just again to illustrate a point, you can use a word such as fatal. If you use a word such as fatal in your ads, again, it's very attention-getting, very emotional, provoking, and it can really bring and highlight your ads and make them stand out from your competitors. So I suggest seeing if you can bring words like fatal into your ads and just give them a try and see what happens. You can use these type of words in really a lot of ways. Here's another one. This is a really good word to add using your Google AdWords ads. It's the word exposed. Exposed, it's starting to become more used and perhaps a little bit overused. But you can use it and you'll probably see that you will get an increase in clicks if you use a word such as exposed. The next one I'm going to show you, this is a little technique and you can see that I've inserted question marks in this ad. And generally speaking, the more questions you can ask in your ads, the more effective they're likely to be. And this is because probably what people are searching online, they're trying to find the answer to a question. So they're asking a question in their minds. And your ad, if it contains a question mark or two or perhaps even three question marks, you're matching the frame of mind of the person that's searching for information online. So if you can use question marks in your headlines and question marks in your ad text, this is going to likely be a very powerful thing for you. Now at the end of this ad text where it says after fatal dating mistakes, you can see that I've put some dots in there. This is another technique that you can use. If you can put dots at the end of your ad text, it leaves a trailing thought in the person's mind. And this is a little psychological thing that you're indicating to the person that there's more information following the ad, and this will likely make the person want to click on the ad to find out the second piece to the puzzle. The ad is the first piece, you've got the second piece on your site, and you need to answer some of those questions when the people land on your landing page. Here's another powerful word for Google AdWords, and it's the word download. There's actually two words here that I've used which are quite powerful. First one is download and the second one is here. You're not allowed to put click now or click here in Google Ads, and that's for the reason that people will click on your ad and your ad will have a bit of an unfair advantage, and Google doesn't want to have 10 or 15 ads on the page all saying click here. But you are allowed to have the word here, and you are allowed to have the word download. So if you're offering a free report or a free gift of some kind for somebody signing up to your email list, I do suggest you try using the word download. And you can also use that and combine it with the word here. Probably be a very powerful method for you. It's worked very well for me, and you may want to try that as well there. Here you can see I've actually used question marks in 3 different places. In this particular one I didn't have room to put in the dots as well, but I did use a lot of question marks. So 3 question marks in an ad isn't too many, and these type of ads have often worked very well for me and the customers who I've built ads for. Now I just want to mention one thing about these ads that I've drawn up for this presentation. They may not fit inside a Google AdWords format, but they may fit into others, and I'm just using this for illustration purposes. So don't copy this ad exactly and paste it into your Google AdWords campaign and then tell me that it doesn't fit, because I know it may not. I'm just using this for illustration purposes. If you would like some more information about this and have a question or a query for me, just go to www.37adwordssecrets.com/AdWords blog, and you'll see a little subject there about this. And you can also ask me a question or a question to the group, and we can have a little chat about it. Thanks a lot. It's Roger Hall for 37adwordssecrets.com, and we'll see you real soon.